Hi, today in this lecture I will show you how to log into Cloud first. So to log into Cloud, first we have to open a browser, and after opening a browser, simply we can write Cloud AI and we have to hit enter, and after hitting enter we will get a first result which is cloud.ai. So simply click it, and after clicking it you will get two options to log in. One is continue with Google, so I am logging with Google, and otherwise logging with email. So either you can log in with your Google account or you can log in it via email account. Okay, so this is the home page of Cloud AI, and this is the new chat where you get write, learn, code, live stuff, cloud choice, and basically it is a free plan, so we don't have to upgrade it now. But as per your choice, you can upgrade it. But for now, I don't recommend to upgrade it. You can use the free plan, and I think this free plan will help you to land a job easily. Okay, so first, after logging into this cloud, now what we want to do is, let's suppose if you have an resume, existing resume, and you want to upgrade it. So to upgrade it, I have a prompt, and before writing that prompt, what I will do is I'll show you my previous resume, or we can say existing resume, like how it looks. Okay, so this is my resume, and which is an existing resume. So here my name, all my details, professional summary, key skills, professional experience, key projects, CMS, or means what are the projects that I have worked, education and award, it is listed here. But if you see this, it's not that attractive, or we can say it's not that ATS friendly, we can say. But we'll use Cloud AI, which will modify our existing resume, and it will create a, what we say, more ATS friendly, more well structured, and it will use the words which is really helpful to land our jobs, or the keywords which are searched by the recruiters. Okay, so what I will do is I will simply write the prompt here. So the prompt is, give me a one page ATS friendly resume that showcase all my experiences, achievements and skill set. Also add AI related skills like GitHub Copilot, NA10, ChatGPT, Microsoft Copilot, Cloud, prompt engineering, AI in software testing, to land me a job interview at Google, and write the latex code to generate this resume. Okay, and I will add my existing resume here, and I have added it. Simply I will hit enter. And I want to say you a small story also. There's my friend who was searching a job in IT industry recently, and the resume which he has created was not that well structured, or the choice of keyword was not like whatever the recruiters are using to search. So he was not getting any interview calls. But when I suggested him to use this, and I have given the prompt to generate the resume. So after generating the resume, he got multiple calls from our recruiters itself. So here also, if you can see, now this AI, what it has done is it has gathered all the informations from this resume, and as per the prompt, it is trying to create a ATS friendly latex resume for me. Now on the right hand side, if you see, I got my latex resume code here. So what I have to do is simply I will just copy it, and after copying it I will open overleaf. So if you scroll down here, you can see it has automatically suggested overleaf. So even though I am using overleaf, so directly we can go to overleaf website and we can log in it using our Google. Now simply we can have a new project, blank project, and we can name it like a resume. Now on the left hand side, we can see we have the .text file where we have to paste our latex code, and on the right hand side you can see simply it is written. So what I will do is I will just simple copy it, and I will paste my latex code, and after pasting this latex code I will click on recompile. So what it will do is it will recompile it, and it will create a resume, means visual resume, and you can see how best it is looking. So here I have my name, place, number, email ID, my designation, all these things like professional summary, technical skills, professional experience, key project, education, award recognition, each and everything is present here. And I have downloaded that resume, and here we can see that how best it is looking in one page. So what it has done is, it was my earlier existing resume, and it converted this resume in this well structured format which is liked by most of the recruiters, and it will increase the chances of getting interview calls from the recruiters.